Hi, you guys. Well, guess what? I've been busy. I decided I'm going to start making a lot more of these color combinations since you guys like them so much. So I went and created a whole bunch of really good ones that you can use. Some are crazy colors and some are normal colors. And so there's, let's see, so there's 5, 10, there's almost 50 of them. Almost 50 different color combinations here that you can get. And I think it's going to make your coloring a lot easier because a lot of times, you just get stuck and you don't know, what to do with how to do a color or whatever. So I tried to do this for inspiration. So hopefully you'll enjoy it. And then I have one for 3 color combinations. And then if you got to do more than one color, you can always do a little thing like this. See how I made it like a side? So if you wanted to add more extra colors inside the middle. So yeah, so I made this for you guys. I hope that you're gonna like it. It's available for download on my Etsy store. So all you have to do is just go to etsy.com. Sorry about the video. Go to etsy.com and then just look for Lisa Brando Extreme Coloring. And as soon as you get there, you'll see I actually have other packets of color combinations available too. And I'm going to start doing more. I'm also going to be making a step-by-step coloring guide for specific pictures in coloring books. And it's going to be not a paint by number or color by number, but sort of. Because what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it printable so that you can print it out and you don't have to worry about stopping and watching a video. And you can, it'll have like lines showing you what color goes where. And so I'm trying to figure that out right now. But for now, I think that these will really help you a lot with your coloring. I know they do with mine. So I'm just taking all the knowledge I have and sharing it with you. So I hope that you enjoy it and I'll see you again soon. Keep following. Oh, and by the way, please like and subscribe because if I don't get enough likes on my YouTube channel, then they don't do good. So just help me out and like and subscribe to my videos. Thanks a lot. Happy coloring.